We are now in the process of implementing that decision. The party constitution clearly outlines the aims and objectives of the party, which in turn must inform the type of structure and the quality of leadership of the party. The quality of leadership in the party. And you are the backbone of the leadership of the party as constituted by the 10 provinces. And you are the heads of the 10 provinces. In terms of the constitution, we expect that you have the quality to be leaders of provinces. Pakati penyu pana no doubt kuti ana quality yacho. Manyarara nditi. Which means you believe kuti mune quality yoku lead a province. But if you accept that you have that quality to lead the province, then the constitution should be your Bible. Article 3, Section 20, subsection 1 to 7 gives members the right to vote in party elections in accordance with the rules and regulations as determined from time to time by the Central Committee. Apa manje ndo pa komisa maiwo msangano. Tina komisa Matemadan. Wherever you are, whatever you do, unoberenga Article 3, sections 1 to 7. Ichikubuza my rights ema members mumsangano. My regulations emusangano, which have to be updated from time to time in the Central Committee. As the person who brings about updating those regulations, nama rules, is the Commissar Omsangano. Of course, I'm aware that we are subjected to hostile propaganda by our detractors, both inside and outside the country. Again, these detractors should make you stronger, not weaker. Vanokutukai, vanotuka msangano, vanotuka leadership, vanotuka imwi should make you stronger, not make you weaker. They say so because they know that you are strong, and they say these things against you to make you weak, but it should be the opposite. It must make you stronger. Can we run? Hey, yes, we had the July 31 planned protest. I understand there's now a movement. You know, July 31. Movement. Again, kwese kwa muno ngemuri kuma province, you denounce it. It's a project yema detractors funded from outside, funded from those who do not want to see ZANU-PF succeed. Makabona ma fake abductions anoitwa ne yokera ne party mwe. False abductions this time around. Vanga vajaira vachita tisinganyasa kuziva iko zvino ne social nakene ICT yedu. We are now able to trace kuti vakafamba nepapi vakavata papi vakataura nani. We have all that now. They can't refute it. We know at this minute you were at this place, you found Ningi, Ningaka cheat. It's very clear, and we were able now to destroy falsehoods. Yes, I also want to warn you, my foreign embassies are they create false narratives against us as government, against ZANU-PF as a party. But again, it is because you matter. If you did not matter, they could not waste their time on you. Mukabona mchitagwa, it means warukuita chitoita mo. Asika na usingatagwa ona zwarukungochita. We are now also looking at through our Ministry of Home Affairs as well as the Ministry Social Welfare. My NGOs are akaregistiwa. So we are now going to look at my mandates of each NGO. Saka, my minister of Home Affairs, Labor and Social Welfare, they will depend on you. Kuno kulisti kwedu tine NGO yakati mandate ndio kuita zakati. Is it true that NGO ili kuita izi nokuti imiti mumri background? So tika discover kuti haiti zvayakanyoresa kuti ili kuita toidzinga. I'm happy that as we move around, you can feel that the general public is now very enthusiastic about the party and about supporting the party. Wherever we are going, we are very happy with that. And this is the time you must be visible in the provinces, at the district level, at the branch level, at the village or cell level. Let us be very active. The youth and the women are very active. We are very happy with them. But also, now we have the war veterans, War Veterans Association. In a comrade, amai vakagara pavo ndo chairman wedu Midlands, ndo chairman War Veterans Association. Havasati vaitirwa introduction ye War Veterans Wing, say league shauya. But we also now urge wing yema war veterans to be active, and they join the Women's League, the Youth League, being active. Now, if I may just make a quick comment, because we have something else to do elsewhere. Tatine serious issues, the economic issues. The price is going up on a daily basis. Could Samara Takata discover when we investigated, we discovered that there was abundant abuse ICT technology, abundant abuse. Phantom money, money is in a base. Air money had been created into our economy. Yanga ishika $8.4 billion. Yanga isina kwa irisima accounts ma bank asichwa mphone. Anongo ba umwe takawana 86 million. Asa hana pay boots. Asa mphone make 86 million. Waka wana be just creating. Canada and anotenga foreign currency at any price because he's using or she's using phantom money. but takazozviona tikabhana. The exercise is still going on. We already have a list of culprits, and muchazoona takuendesa kumacourts for prosecution. So as a result of that, there has now been a stabilization of the foreign currency exchange rate through the auction system. So, and that now again is translated into a stabilized pricing regime in the market. And as we go on, it shall continue to stabilize.